In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos from Temu. First, let's quickly talk about what we're doing and why. Temu has a lot of short, catchy product videos that you might want to save for inspiration, to watch offline, or to use as references for your own content. The basic idea is simple. We're going to open Temu, find the video we like, grab its link, and then use a safe, third-party downloader in your browser to save it to your device. Start by opening Temu on your phone or in a web browser. Browse until you find the specific product video you want to save. It's easiest if you play the video first, so you're sure you've got the right one. Once you've found it, look for the share option. On the app, this is usually an icon that looks like an arrow or 3 connected dots. Tap that share button, and instead of sending it to a friend, choose the option to copy the link. This puts the video's URL onto your clipboard so we can use it in the next step. Now open your browser, like Chrome, Safari, or Edge, and search for a reliable online video downloader. Type something like Temu Video Downloader or Download Online Video from URL. You'll see several sites that offer a simple text box where you can paste a link and then download the video file. Choose a site that looks reputable and doesn't bombard you with pop-ups. Avoid anything that asks you to log in with your account or provide personal information. Once you're on the downloader page, tap into the URL box and paste the link you copied from Temu. Then, hit the download or start button. The site will usually process the link for a few seconds, then show you one or more download options, such as different resolutions or file sizes. Choose the quality that makes sense for you. Higher quality looks better, but takes up more storage and can take longer to download. When you tap your chosen option, your browser will start downloading the file. On a phone, it will typically go into your Downloads folder or your photo gallery under Videos. On a computer, you'll usually find it in your Downloads folder unless you've changed that setting. From there, you can rename the file, move it into a specific folder, or import it into your editing software. Finally, remember to respect copyrights and Temu's terms of service. Use downloaded videos for personal reference or educational use, unless you have explicit permission to reuse them publicly.